I got these two boxes. Let's open them up. Let's open these bad boys up. So this is what I got. I thought I was recording the whole time, but I wasn't. So I got this package from Rock Auto, and they are my inner and the outer tie rods. So it's all equal, it's even right here. Look at that, all brand new. So here's my issue. These are my old ones, right? And let me pull these boots out. Here's the difference. One is a little bit, it's longer than the other one. And I wasn't sure why. I asked a few guys and they said it's probably an upgrade or something, and or they said that my steering rack might be different, all this stuff, you know. So wasn't so sure, so I just ordered, you know, just what was correct. So we'll see what's gonna happen from here. Look at that, all brand new hardware. So you reuse these boots. Yeah, why not? Fuck it. On to the next box. Last box. So I'm waiting for just one more box after this. Oh my god. That little box. Ugh. Protein. All right, there we have it. AW11 steering rack bushings. I heard they fit and it works for the Starlet, so I ordered these, and I totally forgot how much I got these for. I'll get back to you guys on that, on how much I paid for them, but hopefully they're good, you know, or at least better than what's on the car or something like that. It'll be a nice little upgrade right here. Alright, so the inner part of the tie rods are now on both sides and tightened. So I can finally get my money back and return this tool that I rented from local AutoZone down here. Boom. So turn that, and then all I have to do is go to Harbor Freight, go get some adapter pieces for my my torque wrench, and see what other stuff that I need out there. Then install the outer tie rods, and then put in my steering rack bushings, and then get all the rest of the hardware for this. It didn't have enough, so I'm just gonna go to the hardware store, match it all up so I can tighten down this, which is tension rod, and I need to tighten this down as well too. And then put my bolt through here, tighten that, and just double check all the suspension, and then unscrew that take apart the brake line, take off the old caliper, the KP caliper, then rebuild these bad boys. Oops. But first of all, there's no answers online of these brake lines will fit the factory lines, but I'll figure it all out and I'll let you guys know. Not too much information out there, but that's why I gotta find out, then I'll let y'all know, so save you guys a lot of time and figure everything out. But slowly the car's coming together. Slowly it's getting there. Just need these final adjustments and waiting for that part to come in Australia. Hopefully it'll get here in a week or two. It'll give me some time to clean up these calipers, and then we should be good to go. Alright guys, got a haircut, shaved and everything, all nice and clean, and I am back in the garage. Today we're going to finish off where I left off at, which is to tighten up wheel bearings, install the outer half of the tie rods, and you know what, I might get around to putting in my steering rack bushings as well too, which is right here. So I'll probably pop those bad boys in today, show you guys that. Haven't done this before on this car, and these are from an AW11. Heard that they fit, but hey, we'll see if they fit. I think I'm gonna get started now. I have everything that I need here, so we should be good to go. So first off, let's start off with doing the wheel bearings. So let me take off this wheel and we'll get started with that. So I have this set to 21 foot-pounds. I'm gonna spin this and tighten it as I go until I do 21. It's all locked. I don't have a 21 on me? 22, 21. So it says do a quarter turn, loosen it. Nice and free. Alright guys, I am back in the garage. Shaved and got a haircut. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put on the steering rack bushings. And if you guys remember, these are the bushings that I got. They're off of they're for AW11 steering rack. From what I've read, it works on the Starlet, but let's see if it works. We'll find out today. So I'm gonna make some space down below under the car and start getting down on the steering rack. It's really dirty under the car, but let me just clean it up. Alright, we got light. Alright, let's see what's going on under here. Look at all this buildup, guys. I need to take this engine out, clean it, and find where this leak is coming from. Look how nasty that is. But today we're going to work on this, so I'm going to take off this bolt right here, and should be another one somewhere. There's light in here. It's like, where did it go? I just saw it. right there. One more. Gotta get a little extension. Alright, here are the rack bushings I just took out. And here are the MR2 AW11 ones. These are really beefy compared to these. Well, let's see. These are chunks. I don't know when these were last replaced or anything. These are pretty thin. Hopefully it does the job. Let's see. Damn, that was so much easier than the other side. Wrong bracket. So I'm recording this from the future. So I installed the outer tie rods. I lost the footage, so this is why I'm explaining this. So installed the outer tie rods, pretty much reverse steps of taking them off. And they happen to be longer than the other ones. I don't think I have my alignment sheet here, but after I got that done, I went to go get my car aligned, and he said that my tie rods were long, but he made it work out somehow. so that was good. I think I do have, yeah, I have the footage of me rebuilding the brakes too, so that should be up in the next video. If not, I'll probably let you guys know in the next video that I'll put out right after this one. What else did I do? The bushings, the MR2 bushings, solid. It's great. It works perfect. You know, it did look a little bit smaller than the ones that came out of the car, but it worked out, and it was perfect. Solid. So that's worth upgrading. From what I remember, it didn't even cost that much either. You know, it was just the time, how long it took to put it in. That's not bad either. So I highly recommend upgrading your steering rack bushings if they're shot or something, or even go under the car, check it out, see how yours is, and if not, just you know, replace them. I think I got mine off of Rock Auto. Yeah, Rock Auto for a really good deal. But yeah, that's that. So this little portion of me redoing the Starlet suspension, you know, there was a lot that I thought I recorded, but I didn't, because I really wanted to get it done. I did come across some issues a little after driving the car for probably a good 100 miles. Other issues that didn't have to do with suspension, I'd say. And I'll make a video about that, explaining what happened, and I haven't solved the issue just yet, you know. I need to dig a little bit deeper and figure it out, and I hope no one also runs into those issues too, but you know, I'll let you guys know in case you guys do, and I guess we can just troubleshoot it together. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, and I'll catch you in the next one. The next one should be about the brakes. I should have the footage for that. I'm really bad at recording, you know, and I'm learning from this, so I'm gonna start focusing more on recording that, what I'm doing as well too. I just don't want to bore you guys out, you know. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Also, just comment below. I would love some feedback, you know. What do you guys think about the videos and stuff? Thank you. Peace.